Good afternoon, students. How are you? I know you all are good. Okay, welcome back to mathematics class. What class? Mathematics class. M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-R-E-S. Mathematics. Welcome back to mathematics class. Okay, once listen carefully, children. Those who did complete your second worksheet. Today you did not come, so tomorrow you will come to school and write the exam. Okay? So those who did complete your exam also, very good. And those who did not write exam, tomorrow you will come to school and write exam. Okay? Every page you will complete and then come. And prepare well also. Prepare well and come to school. Okay? All are taken your mathematics textbook. Mathematics textbook take out. Word problems addition. Word problems and addition. Turn on page number 45. Word problems. Word problems on addition. On addition. Okay. Turn on page number 45. Okay. In the 14th problem, let us see children. 14th problem. 13th. 13th problem, see. There are 345 biscuits. 345 biscuits in a first tin. In a first tin.
Hello?
279 biscuits in a second tin. In a second tin. And 359 biscuits. And 359 biscuits in the third tin. In the third tin. Third tin. So, how many biscuits are there in all three tins? How many? How many biscuits are there in all the three tins? The three tins. See here first. Number of biscuits in a first tin. Answer. Number of biscuits in first tin. See here number of biscuits. Number of biscuits in a first tin. In a first tin. See, number of biscuits in a first tin. How many biscuits are there first tin? 345. How many are there children? 345. 345. 345. Next, number of biscuits in a second tin. Number of biscuits in a second tin. Second tin. How many biscuits are there in second tin? 279. How many biscuits are there in second tin? 279. 279. 279. Next. Third one. Number of biscuits in a third tin. Number of biscuits in a third tin. In the third tin, how many biscuits are there? 359. 359. 359. So now total number of biscuits. Now let us find total number of biscuits. So plus. Now answer total number of biscuits. What do you find? Total number of biscuits. Total number of biscuits. So first what we have to ones place add, then tens places digits, then the hundreds place digits. So first ones place digits, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So first 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9, 5 keep in mind, take 9 fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9. Once again 9. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So what is the answer? 23. So 22 we have to take carry. 2 we have to write under ones place. So what is the answer? 23. 3 we have to write it under ones place. 2 we take carry. So now 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 13 plus 5, 18. So 1 take carry. 19. Okay, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 13 plus 5, 18. Okay, tens place is also completed. Now we have to go hundreds place. So hundreds place numbers are 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? 9. 9 under the hundreds place. Okay, so total number of biscuits are there? 983. How many biscuits are there, children? 983. Okay. See first, number of biscuits in a first tin, 345. 345. Number of biscuits in a second tin, 279. Number of biscuits in a third tin, 359. Total number of biscuits. Total number of biscuits. How many biscuits are there? 983. 983. Write in your textbook, write neatly. Sanction, are you complete? Mutyana Sai Charan. Lasya, Bindu, keep your videos on. How I will give them present? Attendance no need, no? Bindu, Lasya, Fayaz, Bhavyashri, Vennela, keep your videos on. I will give you attendance. Managna, did you complete? Completed? Write in the textbook. Completed, children? 13th one? Shall I have this one? Okay, completed. Okay, first, don't chat again. Okay, I understand. 14th one. See here, read this question. There are 428 men. There are 428 men and 359 women. 359 women in a village. How many people are there in the village? How many people are there in the village? Now we have to take, here we are taking one village. In that 428 men. 428 men. And 359 women. 359 women in a village. So how many people are there in a village? So people means in that coming men and women. Men and women. So they are asking how many people? How many people? So we have to add men and women. So that's why we have to write first answer. Answer is number of men. Number of men. So write how many men are there? 428 men. 428. Next. Number of women. Number of women. Number of women 359. 359. Next, total number of people. Total number of people. Total number of people. Let's we have to find total number of people. So that's why we have to write number of men, number of people. Okay. First, add means plus. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. 8 keep in mind, take 9 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 8 plus 9, 17. So 1 we take, carry, 7 right, under ones. Okay, now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. Next, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. So in that total, how many people are there in your village? 787. 787. In that 428 men, 359 women. So total number of people in that village? 787. Very good. Fayaz, very good. Write in your textbook, write neatly. Write neatly in your textbook. Don't write roughly. Maintain your book neatly. See, look at me here. All are look at me. So those who did complete your worksheet, raise your hands. Those who did complete your worksheet, raise your hand. Okay, tomorrow we come to school and write the exam. Okay now? Okay. Tomorrow we come to school and write the exam. Anugna, whatever incomplete is there, you will complete today. Okay? Complete your textbook neatly. Complete it. But write neatly. Okay, children. Okay, children, did you complete? In 3 cricket tests, a batsman scored 248, 47 and 159 runs. Okay, how many runs did he score in all? Here we have only one man. So he played 3 cricket tests. Okay, so that batsman scored 3 types of runs. One time 348 runs, once 47 runs, and 159 runs. So total how many runs did he score in all? Total how many runs did he get? So that's why we have to add these 3 scores. Okay, answer. Batsman scored. Batsman scored runs in 3 cricket tests. In 3 cricket tests. In 3 cricket tests. Okay. Next, first. In first test, how many score he got? In first test, means first cricket test. How many runs? 248. 248. Second test. Second test, 47. Second test, 47. And third test. Third cricket test, how many? 159. 159. So, first test match, 248 runs. And second test match, 47 runs. Third test match, 159. 159. So total did he get in all? Total did he score in all? So let us find addition. What we will do? Adding. What we will do, students? Adding. Okay, first 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, what's the answer? 8, keep in mind, take 7 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 plus 7, 15. And again add 9. 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So total 24. 2 we have 4 under 1. 2 take carry. Okay, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, 1 plus 2, 3. Here not there any numbers of 0. 3, 4. So total he scored 454 runs. Total runs 454. Total runs 454. Okay, write neatly. So this one complete after. Take out your worksheet, students. This one complete after. You will take out your worksheet. That one complete after, take out your worksheet. Day 2, place values. Okay. Complete after, take out your worksheet. Day 2, place values. Day 2, place values. Into 0, 0. Okay, see children, already we learned in the textbook place values. But those who did not write properly, see properly, look at the board. Some children are confusing. Place values, children. Place value, we have to take which place is there in that number? In 306. In 306, 6 is in ones place. The 6th number is in ones place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So 6 times 1. 6 times ones place is equal to 6. Yes or no? 6 times. Next, 275. 275. So 7 times 10. 7 times 10. So 7 into 10 is equal to 17. In 507, 0. 0 times 10. 0 is there. 0 times 10. But the 0 times 10 is equal to 0. 340. 0 times 1 is equal to 0. 0 times 1 is equal to 0. 400. 4 is hundreds place. 4 is hundreds place. So 4 times 100 is equal to 400. 4 times 100 is equal to 400. 284. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Okay, write in your worksheet like this only. All understand? Okay, students. Thank you. By completing your workbook like worksheet. Complete your worksheet and tomorrow you will come to school and write exam. Okay? Okay, bye.